Rock 101, greatest hits of the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Ooh, we just had a little dim in the old electricity here at Rock 101. Uh-oh, didn't pay the bell. How about that rain, hey? Sam Ferris in on a Saturday afternoon. And the wind, man, we didn't get a warm-up for that. Boom, we went straight from desert to fall, and it's not going away anytime soon. I just watched on the news, a huge branch of the peony just fell. Didn't hit anybody, but wow, that is some dangerous stuff. And it's not going on, well, I shouldn't say that. It is going on. Kingsway, Port Moody, we've got trees down because of the wind all over the place. Not expecting that to happen too much more this afternoon, but it is supposed to stay windy and wet for the weekend, so maybe this is a good one to stay inside. Crank up the tunes. How about that? I will keep you entertained. David Bowie on the way. Let's do some Def Leppard, go back to the Hysteria album, and the Toxic Twins are next here.
Rock 101 on location.
Hey, it's Scott Allen and Rock 101 once again here at Visions Electronics, 20670 on the Langley Bypass, here for the secret sale. Up to 75% off store-wide on brand name electronics. Up to 75% off home audio, 60% off home theater accessories, and up to 65% on car starters. Don't forget air miles on every purchase, 6 months, no payment, no interest financing, and Visions will beat any price by 15% of the difference. Rock 101 hanging out today until 2 o'clock. Sale runs until Wednesday at all Visions locations. Come on by and see us here at the Langley store. Rock 101 Chapstick Frizz.
Eagle Ridge GM Labor Day.
This is